Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Lily and I'm a disabled content creator. So in this video we will be reviewing the Travelodge in Ilford in London, and I warn you, it's not a very long video, but I just wanted to review it for you guys. It wasn't the best experience, but I'll let you watch that. Right, so let's head off to our room. So this room was on the first floor and it is an accessible twin room with a accessible bath. And here's our view. Yep, we had a view of a courtyard which was really depressing. And this was our accessible bathroom, which wasn't really very accessible. As you can see, there was hardly any transfer room. The bars were stuck right out. Bath was really narrow. The toilet looked like it was falling off the wall, which wasn't great, and the sink creaked every time I just leant on it, which wasn't great. But yeah, this is the bathroom we had. They had a pull cord though, which was good. So I've just used the accessible bath, and I've got to say that's my worst ever experience of an accessible bath. You're constantly nudging into the bar all the time. There's not really any room to turn around, and the transfer space getting in and out is just really bad. So yeah, that's my review on that. So the beds in this hotel were actually very, very comfortable. The staff were lovely. They provided me 2 extra pillows so I could comfortably sleep. And I needed these because of my asthma. I'm still struggling to sleep at night, but they were very, very friendly and gave me 2 extra pillows so I could sleep comfortable. The room was quite hot, but they provided us with a fan, which was adequate enough. So this clip is in slow mode, but as you can see, one lift was out of service, and this other lift, if you look at the bottom between the lift and the floor, you can see it does bounce a little when I go in. You can see it more at the back, and yeah, I don't know if you guys saw that, but the lift was small and just horrible. So the staff were good on arrival. They helped with telling me where the lift locations are, where I would need to go in a event of a fire. They helped with 2 extra pillows because I can't still sleep flat due to my asthma. So the accessible bath, it really wasn't accessible. As you probably see in the video, the poles really stuck out, and the literal width of the bath was literally the width of me. I had no room to turn around or anything. It was really, really difficult to get in and out. They would be a lot better off removing the accessible baths and putting in wet rooms here, because that would be a lot more accessible than what is currently in place. So there were a few other problems in the hotel. They only had 1 lift working the entire time I was here. Apparently that lift had been out of service for 2 years, so it didn't look like they were planning on fixing it anytime soon. The other lift was really tiny and rickety and old, and every time I used it I felt like I was going to get stuck or something would happen. It really wasn't very good. So this hotel is attached to a car park that has a lift. Now it's kind of weird because on Travelodge lifts we're on the 1st floor, but on the car park we're on the 9th floor, and I can confirm we are actually on the 9th floor because I forgot something. My carer went up the stairs, she's not a fan of lifts, and went up to get what I needed. She went up 1 flight of stairs and then she looked up and realised there was another 8 flights to take. So it was actually on the 9th floor, this hotel. And then because I was waiting in the lift lobby downstairs, and Travelodge lift lobby, and whilst I was waiting, someone had come down and obviously tried to get out the building, but the door would not open, would not close. I even tried ramming my wheelchair into it. It wouldn't open, so had to go back upstairs, tell the staff, and go down via the lift in the car park. They did later fix this door temporarily, so that is a bit of a issue, hazard really, but it looked like they were trying to sort it temporarily. So I will not return to this Travelodge, and it's nothing the staff have done, it's just the location. It's very expensive on the tube to go in and out from here. I didn't realise that, and there is an awful lot of noise. It is basically a tower block. Like, you feel like you're living in a tower block with the Travelodge branding. It's not very nice environment. It's very loud. There's a gym beneath us, so there's constant noise, not just in the day either. At night, 1, 2 in the morning, you could hear what sounded like people dropping dumbbells, and also reception is literally the other side of the wall. And last night there were like, it sounded like a playground out there, and this was at midnight, and I was trying to get to sleep, and it just made me very, very anxious. So we had the sound of like dumbbells, had the children, and not just at that time either. It's constant, and you can constantly hear doors go in. You can hear what appears to be furniture being moved. It is very loud. So I will not be returning to this hotel, but if Travelodge happen to be watching, I hope you take my suggestions on board, and also you need to get that lift fixed. And yeah, so I will not be returning, but the room, it was basic. It done, you know, the needs. I could only use the bath once because of the accessibility. So yeah, I think I've pretty much summed up everything. So yeah, let me know, guys, if you would like me to go and review another Travelodge. They do have accessible super rooms, so let me know if you'd like me to go and do that. But anyway, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you like, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.